Hi, today we will discuss about handwriting skills. When we say handwriting, we mean two things. One is the ability to write or writing neatly. When we say ability to write, children should be able to identify letters and numbers. So when they are able to identify letters and numbers, they will be able to produce that on writing. So that is called ability to write. Today we will discuss only about ability to write. Before children start writing, the basic requisite to make them write is they should be able to hold a pencil or chalk piece and scribble. They can hold it any way, like they can hold it using all 5 fingers or 3 fingers or 2 fingers like this, but they should be able to scribble. This is the basic requirement for teaching writing skills. Once they are able to scribble using any type of grip, then we will make them scribble inside the boundary. So when we say scribble inside the boundary, they will not be able to appreciate this boundary at the earliest stage, so they will start scribbling out. That's when we take another pencil or chalk piece and we will show them to scribble inside. We will guide their hand to scribbling inside the boundary. We will never touch their hand to scribble inside the boundary, because touching or moving their hands physically is called physical prompt, which will not help in improving writing skills. So if you want the child to scribble inside the boundary, rather than taking the hand inside the boundary, we can just show or point where to start scribbling. That's when children will automatically take into scribbling. Once they achieve scribbling, before they go to writing, directly teaching writing, we will teach copying skills using these 4 methods. Like we start from matching, tracing, copying and writing through dictation. So when we say matching, once they are able to scribble, we will put any 2 designs and we will expect the child to match the design. This is called matching. So this matching will initially start from horizontal matching. So this is called sleeping line, match 2 designs. So initially when we start matching, children will tend to take the stroke beyond the matching point. So that's when again you will use another chalk piece to point, and when they start you can draw along with them and you will say stop when the destination is reached. So matching a sleeping line. Second one is matching a standing line through a standing line. Third one is matching through a slanting line. This slant can be backslash or front slash like this. So matching through a slanting line. So all these 3 types of matching can be taught. Once they are able to do matching fairly well with standing, sleeping and slanting lines, what we do is we will grade the matching into several steps. First step is matching one design. So you will put one design at a time and the child will match. Second step is after the child matches one pair of design, we will give another pair of designs. So without erasing the first one, the child should be able to match the second one. Once this is also achieved, then we will put third one and the child is expected to match third. So in this step, we will go design after design or pair after pair. So one by one, the child will be able to match. Next is match all together at a time. Like you put 3-4 designs at a time and the child should be able to match. So you will write everything first and then expect the child to match this way. This is the second step of matching. Third step of matching is we will give plenty of designs not in order. So across the notebook we will spread different designs and the child should be able to search and match. So the child needs attention to search for the similar type of designs across the paper which is spread up, which is not given in order. Once the child is able to do this level of matching, then we go to tracing. When we say tracing, we do not directly start with letters or numbers. We will side by side work on identification of letters and numbers, and we will work on tracing and copying of basic strokes. So these 2 steps will only involve basic strokes. When I say basic strokes, there are 4-5 different sets. First step is standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line. Second is L, ulta L, 7, ulta 7. Third step is B, ulta B, lesser than and greater than symbol. Fourth one is C, ulta C, U, ulta U. Fifth one is dot, circle, plus and cross. The difference is these are the straight line strokes and these are curved strokes. These are mix up of both straight line and curved strokes. So when we work on trace, I'll tell you how to work on tracing and copying. But when we go about tracing and copying, we go in this order. For example, if a child, we will take two strokes at a time. If a child has learned slanting and sleeping tracing, then we will go for slanting tracing. Then we will go for L and ulta L tracing. So what happens is when the teacher, therapist and the parents, everybody follow this order. If you see a child tracing 7 and ulta 7, which means the child has learnt all the previous strokes. So it is important to go in this order only. These are the basic strokes and I will tell you how to teach these basic strokes using tracing and copying in my next video.